Hey girl. So today I wanted to take you inside of my beauty room. I just recently revamped it. The room used to be like gold and cream, if some of you guys noticed on some of the old videos. And it just was not agreeing with filming, like far as YouTube or when I'm taking pictures. It just made the pictures just look so orangey and just you couldn't get the full effect of it. So I decided to change the color of it. Now, this is going to be a question. Do you guys think this room is gray, or do you think it's like blue, or do you think it's like a light purple? I've been getting so many different things about this color. So tricky when you're picking out color when you are doing something for your home. But neither here or there. My third passion in life is home decor. I love for a home to be decorated nicely, be cozy, be comfortable, and be welcoming, because I love to have company. So I thought that I would start off with this room first and showing you guys this room. Now, when I do home decor stuff, I go the cheaper way. You don't have to really spend a lot of money to make things look nice. So in this specific room, it is only IKEA, Home Goods, and Target. That's it. So I always tell people to make a room. If you don't feel like you're happy with your room, of course, pick out a nice color paint that is going to be neutral if you're going to be switching up things a lot. Throw pillows, throw curtains. That makes a big impact on a room, trust me. But before I get to just rambling about home decor, because I can go all day, let me go ahead and get started with this video and I can show you guys my beauty room. And if I didn't mention in this video anything that I have gotten from anywhere, just ask me. But more than likely, guys, I got it from Home Goods. So let's sit back and enjoy. Okay, so let's get started. So that is the front door. I actually, like I said, I repainted this room. It used to be gold and cream, but this color is so much better, neutral, and it brings in a whole bunch of light. So I always keep my daily purses over there that I'm using for the month or the week, that I can just interchange in between, that I can just go. Now, straight ahead are the bins that I keep my wigs in. You guys, I actually don't know how many wigs I have at this current time, but all of the color wigs are at the bottom, and then the black and natural black wigs are at the top. So I try to keep them organized in that way. So over here, we have a side table console. In that drawer, I basically keep all of my camera equipment and like my little travel bags that are already packed. So in my travel bags, I typically have like a charger, portable charger, hand sanitizer, emergency, my passport is in there, just little things that I can just grab and just go and keep in my purse that I need while I'm traveling on the airplanes. So over here to the right corner, I have all of my birthday cards that my friends have gifted me. I keep two little purses there just for decoration. And then I have some of my perfumes and a candle. And then I have my little initial there. And then if we look up here, I actually got these flowers handmade like a year ago. They used to be in our beauty shop, but since we closed that down and basically are only doing online only, I was like, you know what, I'm going to use these flowers in here. And they leave like such a pop of color in here. It's so pretty. The camera actually does it no justice. So yeah. And then of course, every girl needs a ring light. So yeah, I have my ring light right there. Typically where I take all of my pictures. And then I have a little stool there that sometimes I sit at, or if I have extra people in here that they can sit at as well. Okay, so we're going to swing over this way. This tall Chester that I have to the right is something that I keep all of like my hair, makeup, things like that. And then let me get in on this. This actually is a funny story. People are always asking like, how in the world did you get a MAC lipstick case holder? I actually got this on eBay. Somebody used to work at MAC and they were closing the store. And I bought this for about $150, probably like 7-8 years ago. Such a great thing that I bought because it keeps my lipsticks so organized. I can just grab it and go. So here we have another, this was where some of my everyday makeup goes into there. I have it organized. It doesn't look organized, but it is organized from lipsticks to highlighters to concealers to foundations and all of that sort. And then in this drawer right to the right is where majority of all of my other makeup is at. Then of course I have my vanity from Impressions Vanity that I absolutely love. I got this when we first moved in here, so probably like 5 years ago. And I actually changed it out to the white lights, which are so much better for makeup. But yeah, and here is my desk, and that is my laptop. That's my case cover. A lot of people always think that is spilled coffee, but no, it's my case cover. And then I always keep my iPad to the left of me, and then I have a few makeup brushes here. And then my friend actually has a eyelash and a lip scrub line. I always keep her things there, and she's actually pregnant right now, so I always post up like little things of her right here by like some of the keepsake memory stuff that I want from her company. Then we're going to swing this way, and this right here is the one section that I keep my wigs in. I normally style my wigs in this section, and then I have a floor to the, not a ceiling to floor, but a full length mirror. And then behind there, I keep up my goals and my projects that I need to be doing over there. And it's always a wig over here on display because it's just like decorations for me. Alrighty, then I'm going to swing this way. This is my little couch that I have here. I decided to throw in the blush color pillows and the cream throw, and then this, oh my god y'all, this carpet, I got it from Target. It feels so amazing. Like, it feels so amazing. This couch I got from Underpriced Furniture, I believe. Yeah, I got this from Underpriced Furniture as well. And then in that corner, I have like my printer, some labeling stuff, just in case I'm not in the office, that I can still print and do stuff from home if I don't want to go into the office. So yeah, that pretty much sums it up, the beauty room. And I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Like I said, I decided to go with a the paint is kind of like an undertone of blue, but I decided to throw in like some soft pink in here, different tones of pink, just to give it a little pop of color. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed.